including our universe. How many universes did Allah Almighty create yesterday? And what is the number of our universe in creation? Modern research has revealed hundreds of secrets of the universe. The Sun is many times smaller than the Earth. If the Sun were bigger, what would happen to the Earth?
What kind of creatures live in the seven heavens? You will be surprised to know which planet has life. The amazing ups and downs of Maddox. Physical properties of all living things on Earth. Which country has invented a dangerous weapon that can turn the whole Earth into gas in just a few moments? The whole sky is subject to the Earth, and revolves around the Earth. Watch and listen to the proofs of the Quran and Najul Balaga with solid practical proofs. Watch the full article on Manzoor Discovery Channel. Please subscribe, like and share this channel. Thank you.